The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a masterpiece of engineering, combining Italian craftsmanship with cutting-edge performance technology. Built for the track but refined enough for the road, this superbike continues Aprilia's legacy of pushing the boundaries of speed, handling, and electronics. For those who crave the ultimate riding experience, the RSV4 Factory delivers a thrilling combination of raw power, precise control, and advanced rider aids that make it one of the most formidable motorcycles on the market. At the heart of the RSV4 Factory lies a 1099cc V4 engine, refined to produce even more power and torque than its predecessor. With a peak output of around 217 horsepower, this machine is designed to offer relentless acceleration and an exhilarating top-end rush. Aprilia has worked extensively to optimize the power delivery, ensuring that the bike remains usable in a variety of conditions while still providing the razor-sharp response that riders expect from a leader-class superbike. The engine's sound, a distinct and aggressive V4 roar, adds to the bike's character, making it an auditory delight for enthusiasts. A significant highlight of the 2025 RSV4 Factory is its aerodynamics. Aprilia has refined the winglets integrated into the fairing, improving downforce at high speeds without adding excessive drag. These aerodynamic improvements enhance stability when accelerating out of corners and keep the front wheel planted, reducing the risk of unwanted lift. The overall design of the motorcycle remains aggressive, with sharp lines, a sleek LED headlight setup, and an unmistakable racing DNA that sets it apart from its competitors. The chassis of the RSV4 Factory is where Aprilia's racing heritage truly shines. The aluminum twin spar frame is known for its rigidity and feedback, giving riders a precise feel of what the bike is doing at all times. Fully adjustable Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension components further enhance the ride, allowing for quick adjustments based on riding conditions. Whether attacking a racetrack or carving through winding mountain roads, the RSV4 Factory offers an unparalleled level of control and confidence. The swing arm, inspired by MotoGP developments, provides improved traction and stability, ensuring that power is efficiently transferred to the ground. Braking performance is another area where Aprilia has left no room for compromise. The 2025 RSV4 Factory is equipped with Brembo Stylema calipers gripping dual 330mm discs at the front, offering exceptional stopping power and modulation. A high-performance braking system is essential for a bike of this caliber, and Aprilia ensures that riders have the confidence to brake hard into corners without fear of instability. The rear brake setup complements the front, providing balance and additional stopping power when needed. Electronics play a crucial role in modern superbikes, and the RSV4 Factory is at the forefront of this technology. The latest Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) suite includes a host of rider aids, such as cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and engine braking adjustment. These systems are not only designed to enhance safety but also to maximize performance by allowing riders to push the limits without fear of losing control. The settings can be fine-tuned via a full-color TFT display, which provides intuitive access to various ride modes and customization options. With the ability to adjust power delivery, suspension settings, and electronic aids on the fly, the RSV4 Factory becomes an incredibly versatile machine that can be tailored to different riding styles and environments. One of the standout features of the 2025 RSV4 Factory is the seamless integration of advanced connectivity options. Aprilia's multimedia platform allows riders to connect their smartphones to the bike, providing navigation, call management, and telemetry data. This connectivity enhances the riding experience, ensuring that riders can stay informed and make real-time adjustments based on performance metrics. The TFT display is not only functional but also visually striking, with crisp graphics and an easy-to-read layout, even in bright sunlight. Comfort is often overlooked in high-performance motorcycles, but Aprilia has taken steps to ensure that the RSV4 Factory remains rideable for extended periods. The seat is designed to offer a balance between comfort and support, while the ergonomics have been refined to reduce rider fatigue. The handlebars and foot pegs are positioned to provide an aggressive riding stance, yet they allow for enough flexibility to make the bike manageable in daily riding scenarios. Heat management has also been improved, ensuring that the engine's performance does not translate into excessive rider discomfort during long rides. Weight reduction has been a focus for Aprilia, with the use of lightweight materials such as carbon fiber and titanium in key areas of the bike. This not only improves handling but also contributes to better acceleration and braking performance. The power-to-weight ratio of the RSV4 Factory is among the best in its class, making it a formidable opponent on the track and a thrilling ride on the streets. Fuel efficiency may not be a primary concern for superbike enthusiasts, but Aprilia has worked on optimizing the fuel mapping to ensure that the RSV4 Factory delivers a respectable range. The improved fuel injection system ensures efficient combustion, allowing for better mileage without sacrificing performance. For riders who enjoy long rides, this means fewer stops at the pump and more time enjoying the machine's capabilities. Track performance is where the RSV4 Factory truly excels. With its race-derived technology and precise engineering, this motorcycle is capable of setting blistering lap times in the hands of an experienced rider. The combination of power, aerodynamics, and electronics makes it an incredibly rewarding machine to push to its limits. Aprilia's success in motorsports, particularly in World Superbike and MotoGP, has directly influenced the development of this bike, making it a true race-bred machine available for enthusiasts. The competition in the leader class superbike segment is fierce, with manufacturers like Ducati, BMW, and Yamaha offering their own high-performance machines. However, the RSV4 Factory stands out with its unique V4 engine, sophisticated electronics, and exceptional handling characteristics. It offers a perfect blend of raw power and refined control, making it a top choice for those who demand the best from their motorcycle. In terms of customization, Aprilia provides a range of accessories to enhance both performance and aesthetics. From carbon fiber bodywork to upgraded exhaust systems, riders can tailor their RSV4 Factory to match their preferences. The aftermarket support for the RSV4 series is strong, with plenty of options available for those who want to extract even more performance or add a personal touch to their bike. Pricing for the 2025 RSV4 Factory reflects its premium nature, positioning it among the top-tier superbikes in terms of cost. However, for those who understand the level of engineering and performance they are getting, it is a worthy investment. Owning an RSV4 Factory is not just about having a fast motorcycle, it is about experiencing the pinnacle of what a superbike can offer. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a machine that embodies the spirit of racing while offering the technology and refinement needed for everyday use. It is a bike that rewards skilled riders with an unparalleled experience, delivering a perfect mix of power, precision, and innovation. Whether on the track or the road, the RSV4 Factory is designed to thrill, making it one of the most exciting motorcycles of the year.